Hey there, have you ever wanted to make amazing videos but didn't know where to start? Well, meet Sora, OpenAI's revolutionary video generator that's perfect for everyone, whether you're a total beginner or a creative pro. By the way, I'm Dr. Paul, your go-to guide for all things AI. I'm here to help you explore the exciting world of AI tools and show you just how easy and fun this can be. OpenAI has released its much talked about AI video generator, Sora. A few months ago, Sora was revealed to the world, and we all eagerly waited to get our hands on a working live version of this model. Well, the wait is over, and it is finally here. So, what makes Sora so magical? First off, there are no templates holding you back. Instead, you can draw inspiration from user-created videos right on the website. That means you're not just stuck with the cookie-cutter designs or template. You can create something truly unique. With Sora, you can use text to video, image to video, and even start with a video you already love. It's all about remixing and blending elements to create something that's entirely your own. Imagine combining clips, adding your own twist, and watching your ideas come to life in ways you never thought possible. Whether you're an artist looking to push boundaries or someone who just loves creating, Sora makes it easy to dive in. The possibilities are endless. The ease of use means you spend less time figuring out what you want to create and more time creating and sharing what you love. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to Sora's website, try Sora out today, and see how easy it is to turn your ideas into magical creations. Please share your ideas and concepts in the comments below so as a community we can all enjoy and use this tool together. As always, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.